In the previous lecture, we learned what the Tor network is, how it works, and how it's supposed to protect our privacy and anonymity. We also learned how to connect to this network using the Tor browser, so we learned how to properly install it and configure it, and then use it to connect to the network so that we can access websites privately and even access Tor hidden services or onion services, or what most people refer to as the darknet. Now, this is a very easy and simple method, and it's great if you just want to access a website quickly, privately, or if you just want to have a quick look over the darknet. But it's not the best method. The reason for this is because we installed the Tor browser in a normal operating system, such as Windows, Linux, or OS X. These operating systems regularly collect data about the user, about you, to improve user experience, and who knows, maybe for other reasons. Not only that, but most of these operating systems have other programs installed on them which also collect data about you, again, to improve user experience and maybe for other reasons. Now, all of this collected data can be used to de-anonymize you and profile you. Not only that, but all of these programs, all of the programs outside the Tor browser itself access the internet directly. They do not use the Tor network. The only program that is using the Tor network is the Tor browser. Therefore, when these programs leak information about you, they are leaking also your proper exact location. Not only that, but we also have issues such as DNS leaks, which also would leak information about you, and not to mention that all of these programs and operating systems have a history of being vulnerable to code execution and buffer overflow vulnerabilities. Now, these vulnerabilities can be used to gain full control over your computer, and obviously, when someone has control over your computer, knowing where you are or getting information about you is very, very simple. Therefore, in this section, I want to show you a much better method to protect our anonymity and privacy. This method is a little bit more complex and will require a little bit more work and a little bit more hardware, but don't worry about it. I'm going to break it into very simple lectures, and I'm going to walk you through the steps one by one, and you're going to learn exactly how it's going to work and why it's so much better than just installing the Tor browser on a normal operating system.